Welcome back. You're watching News Desk. I'm here for your business news. My name is Kelley Boss. Now, family businesses are being encouraged to list on the Nairobi Stock Exchange as a way to preserve the family's legacy and improve their long-term sustainability. Now, according to Nairobi Stock Exchange CEO, this will, help the families, have their business, have more longevity in their businesses even after they exist.
As we celebrate SKL's new position on the Nairobi Stock Exchange, we also recognize the profound impact that this achievement will have on the broader business community. The move to list on the NSE is not just about SKL's growth, but also about strengthening our economy as a country.
To make business, we don't need money. But to make money, we need business. To make business, we need vision, mission, and passion and values. And 2030, we are going to manufacture end-to-end manufacturing of vaccines.
For the general citizenry and our young people, we learn that indeed it is possible for you to only use integrity and good reputation as working capital to start a business.
As we talk to the advisors who are supporting SKL and other advisors, ask them about other solutions to test the water before you decide to absolutely become listed.
Now, leaders overseeing the car insurance industry in the country have urged insurance companies to handle their clients appropriately. According to stakeholders, some insurance companies have deceived their clients, ending up in insurance fraud, where the insurance company, agent, or customer commits to a deliberate deception in order to obtain an illegal gain. They say is damaging the reputation of insurance organizations. I beg your pardon.
I also to ensure that the data is well done for you to be able to achieve progress. But once you have been activated,
their vehicles have been auctioned, others have been committed to civil jails, and I can tell you, very elderly people are in civil jails as we speak. Yet they had an insurance cover. The insurance company was not taken to court. Nowadays, some quack lawyers are just taking the owners of the vehicles directly to court to pay them. So you wonder, why do we have insurance covers if at the end of the day I am the one that is going to be charged directly? We don't want any other Kenyan to suffer or be taken to civil jail while they had done their responsibility and taken covers for their vehicles.
We investigate claims immediately they happen. We've been on the scene of accident and established exactly what happened.
Now, residents living in villages closer to the beach in Lamu County have been encouraged to not throw garbage around the area. Speaking during the celebrations to commemorate the International Wetlands Day, stakeholders in the environmental sector stated that disposal of waste around the beach has contributed to the decline of fisheries and tourism in Lamu County. They have called on the government and non-governmental organizations to partner with the locals to improve the cleanliness of beaches to attract tourists and improve fishing.
Uchumi wa kisiwa cha Lamu, asilimia 85, 85% of the economy of Lamu Island inategemea mambo ya utalii, mambo ya tourism. Na kama hatujahifadhi hizi fukwe zetu na sehemu zetu ambazo ziko chepechepe, ambazo ndicho kivutio kikuu, our beaches are the biggest attraction for tourism in Lamu. Kwa hivyo tunaona ya kwamba lazima tuhifadhi hizi fukwe ili wageni waweze kuvutiwa kuweza kuja katika sehemu yetu.
Kwa miaka za nyuma tumeona ya kuwa eneo hili la Matondoni kulikuwa na mambo ya utalii, ilikuwa ikinawiri, na pia samaki wengi sana walikuwa wanatoka huku, hata zile hoteli kubwa kubwa walikuwa wanatoa huku. Lakini kwa sasa tunaona kama hali ya kutoa samaki huku na pia hali ya eneo hizi za blue carbon ecosystem kama vile nyasi bahari na pia mikoko zimeathirika pakubwa.
Mashirika ya serikali na ambao si serikali na wanajamii tuzidi kushikana kuhakikisha kwamba mazingira yetu yanakuwa safi, na tujihamasishe mambo ya kupanda miti, kwa sababu miti tukipanda tunazuia mambo ya mmomonyoko ya udongo na pia kuleta kivuli safi na hewa safi, na pia ni njia moja ya increase water percolation ili maji yaendelee kubaki mazuri katika underground, ambayo ndio catchment yetu ya kujitosheleza kwa mambo ya maji ya kunywa.
Let's move on to agriculture, where farmers from the arid area of Makima Ward, Embu County, have reason to smile after receiving Gala hybrid goats worth 2.3 million Kenyan shillings from county government. The 178 goats, including 16 bucks, are aimed to assist the farmers from the drought-stricken area to diversify sources of income as well as enhance food security. County Executive Committee member in charge of agriculture, John Nyaga, said these goats were well suited for the area owing to the resilience to harsh climatic conditions. He said these improved breeds are also resistant to opportunistic diseases, mature fast, and yield more milk and meat.
Nakunywa maziwa kwa sababu maziwa ya mbuzi ni nzuri sana. Kwa hivyo ningeomba ikiwezekana atuongeze zingine, kwa sababu kuna watu ambao hawajapata, atuletee katika vikundi.
Na leo Mungu ametufikisha hiyo siku tukiwa hai, tukiwa na furaha, na leo tunashukuru ile shirika ya serikali ina hiyo mpango ya kutuletea mbuzi. Huyu atanisaidia kwa kupata maziwa, kwa sababu hii ni ile mbuzi ya kupata maziwa, inisalie mbuzi siongezekee mingi sana.
Mbuzi hii ni ya hali ya juu sana. So tukipea mkulima hapa, tafadhali mkulima asiuze mbuzi, tunza mbuzi, kwa sababu itakupatia mazao mingi kuliko hizi mbuzi za kawaida hapa. Hizi mbuzi ni zile tunaita pedigree, kumaanisha ni very high class, na zitakupatia mbuzi za nguvu na za kupatia maziwa mingi, na pia kama utaitumia kama ya nyama, kwa sababu tumesema hizi mbuzi Gala goats ni dual purpose, zitakuwa na haraka na zitakupatia mazao mazuri.
Well, let's now move to transport, where it's good news, where passengers coming into Kenya can now carry goods worth up to 250,000 Kenyan shillings as part of their government's strategy to streamline passengers' goods screening at the airport. Through a multi-agency collaboration, the government is looking to increase tourist numbers by improving customer experience. KTN's Esther Diana has more details.
This decision to raise the threshold from 50,000 shillings is as a result of complaints from customers and the fact that little to no revenue was earned from opening travelers' bags. The allowable threshold is determined at the East African community level.
We took it upon ourselves to engage the EAC to increase that threshold, and that now has been increased to $2,000, or give or take 250,000 shillings.
And therefore there should be no reason why we are opening every other box. And the revenue we are collecting amounts to about 0.05% of the total revenue we collect.
This adjustment is part of the broader goal by the government to ensure different agencies operating at the airport work together, led by the Kenya Airports Authority to position Kenya as an aviation hub, streamline service delivery, boost tourism numbers, and increase revenue collected from the tourism sector.
The immediate solution, as you may note, does not have any budgetary implication. New customers come into Kenya through referencing by travelers who came to Kenya and had a good experience.
The tourist numbers did not decline. They will be upwards of the target that had been set for us.
While unveiling the Cabinet Airport Charter alongside other agencies, Transport Cabinet Secretary Davis Churchill emphasized that the implementation of the customer experience improvement will not cost taxpayers any money in the immediate term. Additionally, Kenya has outgrown the capacity of JKIA, and the government loses a lot of revenue due to poor customer service.
Yes, we have got very crammed up space, because we have outgrown the capacity of our airport. We are bringing in excess of what our airport was built to handle.
We are working under a constrained infrastructure facility that is more than 45 years old. Therefore, it's very difficult for us to customize the spaces that are there to give us a better experience.
According to the multi-agency cabinet directive, all citizens from across Africa are exempted from the ETA requirements. Airport customs officers will be equipped with body-worn cameras, and immigration booths will double from 8 to 16. The charter has also committed to uphold traveler dignity and privacy by opening flag bags in dedicated screening rooms. Reporting for KTN, I am Esther Diana, Nairobi.
Well, that story from JKIA by Esther Diana does it for business today, but Sports is coming up next. My name is Kelley Boss.